Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com making this video for the combo 3 on my website, explaining the combo 3. Let me show you where the heck it is. This is on my website. I already made the video explaining combo 1 and then combo 2. And now I'm making a video to explain this combo 3, what it has and what you're going to get if you sign up. So let's get started. This one has, if you want to understand these two, then you can just simply watch the video. But this one has the lifetime membership. That means that the sign, see, monthly is $77 a month, right? But yeah, lifetime membership is $697. So that will be including in this. Then there's a one-on-one coaching 5-hour course, which I will be teaching over the Zoom, 1 hour each session. That will be that is alone is $500, so that is including in this. Then you will get this my EA robot expert advisor to open the trade and close the trade for it's usually $500, but you're gonna get it for free if you get these two. Now, my son was suggesting that we should throw in my courses as well in these combos. The courses are harmonic pattern course and Elliott wave course, right? They have like 15, 20 video in each. There are video courses, very, very powerful courses. Covers almost everything, in detail, how to use the Fibonacci tool, different ways, and this and that, right? So in the lifetime membership, basically what you get, I explained in the other two videos, but let me show you here as well. All indicators and templates required for the system, including custom Ranko chart builder, energy alarm, EA, weekly charts, and templates with my analysis for forex pairs, currency indexes, gold, oil, and indices, which I explain, make new charts, and every other week. And I explain these in my webinars, which I hold twice a week for my subscribers, right? Expert advisor alarm, definitely you're gonna get, and obviously you're gonna get the free robot as well. Access to my Telegram channel, which is right here, where I post heads up videos, upcoming heads up about upcoming setups and all of that. Right, so very helpful. Then I have here. Access to live webinar twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, where I go over the whole market, the analysis, the setups, so we discuss everything, right? And access to previous webinar recordings. Hundreds of these recordings are there on my website, only for subscribers. They are available only for subscribers. And then obviously private help videos, a lot of them, right? How to do that. And same time, you have 24-hour email support, but not 24-hour means that I'm not awake 24-hour, right? So, but yeah, if I'm sleeping, fine. If you send me an email, maybe a few hours later, or maybe 4 or 5 hours later, if I'm sleeping, then I will definitely respond and help you out in that as well. Like I said, that all three combos will have now those courses in them. This one and this one, the Elliott wave course and harmonic pattern course, also including in these three, right? So this is the combo 3 with the lifetime membership and the 5-hour, live coaching from me over the Zoom, then the Elliott wave course, the harmonic pattern course, and this EA for free. So this is what it is, and this combo, this one also will have a Elliott wave course and harmonic pattern course in here. I will tell Omar to make changes and write it down here as well, here and here as also, right? So this is what this combo 3 is all about. So this is the best thing you can have. I mean, once you're done with all of that, you watch my courses, you take one-on-one course with me, and you have you learn how to use the robot, and everything together is equal to a master trader. You will become a master trader. That's it, simple as that. Okay, so these are the things that I wanted to show you in this video. Today is what, Friday night? Oh, Saturday morning already, 1:35 a.m. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The next video I'm going to make, it will be about Bitcoin. Okay. And then maybe gold. I'll make these two videos, with analysis and all of that today, Saturday. All right. So bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, definitely, because you're going to get those videos on time so that you can take advantage of that. All right. So talk to you guys later.